Welcome guys, so today I'll be showing you how to use battery energy saver on your Windows 11. So you go to settings and you go to system, you see battery saver. It's really helpful to always use energy saver because it actually prolongs the life of your battery. So I'll be doing some more recommendations on how to extend your battery life. So energy saver is one of the tools you need to use, and over here you have an energy recommendation which I usually ask people to apply, or when you click on it, it applies by itself to make sure that you have applied all the recommendations to save your energy. Then back to the energy saver, you have it here. So this is actually where you do your configuration. It's always turned off, and what it means is when you take out your battery, your power supply, if I take out my power supply, you see that the battery is just showing and it's draining my battery, and also doesn't extend the life of my laptop battery. So what do I do? Most times, if you turn this energy saver on, it actually does some things like reduce the power consumption, it increases the battery life, and close some background apps that are running, like most of those apps like Google Chrome that have several tabs open, and not all of them are open at the same time. They are just draining battery, running internet and all those consuming energy which you are not using at that point in time. So this actually helps it to remedy that. And not only turning it on, I usually also set it automatically when my battery level, by default, when the battery level is low, it turns on at 20%, but for me, I actually leave it at always. So what happens is immediately I take out my external power supply, or maybe there is light off, what happens immediately is it comes on automatically. So even when my battery is 100%, my energy saver is on. So that's actually what you do. Then you can actually turn on this one that lowers your screen brightness. So doing that, it helps to increase your battery life. So this is actually about the energy saver. One way is this manual settings. Then the other way we can go about it is by coming to this control notification area. From here you see energy saver. So if you click on it, you can actually turn it on or turn it off. But this is actually done maybe if you don't want to go through the stress of going to settings to go and start looking for energy saver. You can just come over to this your area, your notification action center, and click on energy saver, and that way your battery lasts long. I would like to know your own recommendations and what you think about this energy saver. Drop your comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.